In this video, you will learn how to deploy your app in Replit. First, open your project on Replit and make sure your code runs correctly. Click the Run button at the top to test it. If everything works fine, you are ready to deploy. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Publish button. A panel will appear on the right side. You may see a preview of your project and a section where you can name it and write a short description. After that, you will see your project's URL and a message saying you need to upgrade your plan to publish. This means that deployment is only available on a paid Replit plan. If you want to make your app live, click the Upgrade Plan option and follow the steps to upgrade your account. Once your plan is upgraded, return to your project. Click Publish again. You will now be able to publish your app without restrictions. You may be asked to name your project if you have not already done so. When the publishing process finishes, your app will be live at the given URL. You can copy that link and share it with others so they can view or use your app online. That is how you deploy or publish your app in Replit. Thanks for watching.